today I'm making pumpkin rice. So here I have a piece of pumpkin. I will remove the seeds, washed it, and here I have a cup of grated pumpkin. So I grated those pumpkin. I have 3 cups of water going. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt to that, and then 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna get that going. Add the pumpkin right into that. So it's a cup of pumpkin. Yes, I have that on a very low flame. I'm adding thyme, scallion, and pepper. There's the pepper, the scallion, and thyme going in. And then I'm going to add some pimento seeds or pimento berries. So I'm allowing the coconut milk to cook with the pumpkin. Then I'm going to wash the rice and add it straight in. But first I'm adding half of an ounce of butter. After that I cook for about 20 minutes. I add 3 cups of rice, which is 1.5 pounds. Okay, so yeah, the rice going. I'm gonna lower the fire now that the rice is in. If your stove have a gauge to about 10, then you cook this rice on about 4 out of that 10. Right now I have it at 6. Put it down to 4. Then cover it and allow it to simmer. For 20 to 30 minutes this rice should be ready. Yeah, time to check that rice. Wow! Yeah, it's almost done. So the rice is complete and it is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching. That was my pumpkin rice and it's going to go with fish. And then I'm going to pour sauce all over it. But for right now, that's my pumpkin rice. Delicious and nice.